Howdy everyone, and welcome back to my happy little cosplay channel. It's me, Zombie. I am so happy to be back. Today, I'm going to be talking about some of my favorite cosplay products that I have been using this spring. I know it's been a while since I've talked about cosplay products here on the channel, but I got some requests to bring it back. And I like talking about cosplay products, and if you guys like these videos, then I am happy to make them. Before I get started today, I just wanted to tell you guys about a big update in my life. I proposed to Adam, and he said yes, so I'm engaged. Yay! By the way, proposing to someone is like the scariest thing ever, even if you know they're gonna say yes. I almost had a heart attack, so all you people out there proposing to people, I have mad respect for you. I can't tell you how happy I am to spend the rest of my life with my best pal. And honestly, now I don't know how to transition from like the coolest news ever to cosplay products. So I guess I'm just gonna start by talking about these silicone rings that I have here. Now that I'm engaged, I knew that I wanted to sport a silicone ring. So I ordered a bunch of these. They come in like packs of 5, 10, 15 for $10 a piece. They're really inexpensive. They're great for cosplay because they don't get caught on anything, and it's not the end of the world if you get like super glue or paint on one of them because they're so inexpensive. You can just order a new one in the color that you lost. Adam wears a silicone ring as well, and he loves his because he can work out in it and he doesn't have to worry about losing it or taking it off in certain situations because it's safe to wear all the time. I also love these because I think it's really fun to like switch out the color every day, and I can like match it to my outfit, and I don't know. I just think that's fun. So if you're married or engaged, or you just like wearing rings while crafting, I highly suggest these silicone rings. They are awesome. These rings, along with all the other products I'll be talking about today, are gonna be linked right down below. And I'm an Amazon affiliate, so if you do decide to get one of the products, it helps out the channel with no additional cost to you. So thank you in advance if you decide that you like any of this stuff enough that you want something for yourself. The next product I'm going to be talking about are these foam dowels, half dowels, and bevels from Lumens Workshop. Oh my cheese and crackers, I love these so much, you guys. Like, these are life-changing. You don't understand. I used to have to carve my own dowels for all my projects. These are so freaking dope. Like, they save me so much time. I use the crap out of the half dowels on my Gordon Freeman cosplay, and now I'm using them a lot on my Samus cosplay as well, especially the half dowels. Oh my god. Wow, I love them so much. There's so much uses for these. They're so worth the cost. They're not even that expensive. So big shout out to Lumens Workshop. These bevels, dowels, half dowels, they're freaking amazing, and their foam products are really great as well. Next up is another foam product, and that is the HD foam by Sks Props. I just started using this foam to make my Samus thighs, and I have to say, I've never used any foam like this before. It's softer and it's really easily moldable, and using my rotary tool on it, like, you can just carve it like butter. I was nervous about it at first because as I was sculpting it on my Samus thighs, it was leaving like little fingernail pock marks from where my fingers were pressing into the foam, and I was like, oh no, what if this foam is too soft? But once I was done with the piece and I sealed the foam with the heat gun, all the little pock marks disappeared. It was this beautiful smooth surface. So you guys gotta try out this foam, especially for like thigh pieces and pieces that really need to put up with a lot of wear and tear. I decided to use this especially for the thighs just because of the texture, and I'm really impressed with it so far. I took the thighs on a test walk the other day, and I'm digging it, so I can't wait to make other pieces with this foam. I really do hope you guys try it out. SKS knows what the heck he's talking about when it comes to foam. Next up is this Velcro. You guys may have seen in my previous videos, I usually use the Velcro that you get at Joann's, and it has this sticky surface. That industrial Velcro works well, however, it gums up my scissors because of that sticky surface on the back. It gums up my sewing machine, and it's kind of hard to work with if you're applying adhesive to the back sometimes, just because it already has like that goo on the back. So I wanted to invest in some Velcro that is just ready to sew right away. I don't have to worry about it gumming up scissors or anything else. And I found this Velcro on Amazon. I don't know how to pronounce this. It's like Huey or something. I'm the worst at pronouncing things anyway, but I got it in the 4-inch width because I wanted to cut it to the size that I wanted to for certain pieces. It's definitely big enough to do that. From now on, I'm gonna be using this Velcro, and hopefully it will extend the life of my tools that I use it with. Next up is a rattle can paint, and that is the Rust-Oleum All Surface Metallic Paint. This is one of the first times that I'm using this specific brand of Rust-Oleum paint, and I really dig it. I love the surface. I love all the colors it comes in. I can't speak to all of the colors, but the champagne mist color that I've been using for my Sks cosplay, totally dig it. Love the finish. It's buildable. The only thing you have to worry about is just do it in several layers. Don't try to add like 2 or 3 layers on really thick because it does drip like crazy if you do that. But if you're just patient with it and you build it, it is an awesome metallic paint. Next up is a wig. I got this wig from Royal Enchantments, and you may recognize it. It's a Black Widow wig from Endgame, and I'm just amazed by the quality of this. I first saw this wig on my friend Stephanie, and I messaged her right away, and I was like, oh my god, where'd you get that wig? It's incredible. And she told me about this Etsy shop called Royal Enchantments, so that's where I got this amazing wig. The next product is a store-bought costume. It's from Sks Cosplay. You guys may recognize this brand because I talked about store-bought cosplays in another video where I reviewed a Black Widow costume that I purchased from them. And I have gotten so many questions about that costume. Lots of people reached out and said that they bought that costume after they saw the video, and they love it because the quality is just so good. It's a great costume. So I reached out to Sks Cosplay and asked them if they'd be willing to send me another costume that I could show you guys. And they said, yes, go ahead and choose a costume, which was very nice of them. I decided to choose Nicoletta Goldstein from the new Devil May Cry because I love her. She's probably like my #1 video game girl crush. She is so badass, and I just wanted to cosplay her so bad. I did give them my exact measurements, and they made the costume to my size, so everything fits really nicely, except for the boots. I did give them my shoe size and my foot measurements in centimeters, and they sent me these very small boots. They're very tiny, so I won't be able to wear those, but I can put like a little gun belt that goes around the boot. I can use that for another pair of boots that I will be ordering for this cosplay. Other than the shoe size miscommunication, this costume is so adorable, and it's really nicely made, and it comes with all the accessories, including the glasses. There's even functional pockets where, I mean, they really didn't have to add them, but they did, which is amazing. And this is just so cute, so I can't wait to make a video series about this costume. Thank you, Sks Cosplay, for sending this to me, and I hope that you guys like this costume as well. And the last product I want to talk about, which I don't know if this counts as a product yet because it's like not up for sale, but it's something that I made. I got my first merch samples in. I decided to make a ringer tee for my first merch sample, and I call it a sample because I just wanted to wear it and make sure that the quality was okay, the print was okay, and that it would hold up nicely for you guys when they do go up for sale. And I have to say, I absolutely love it. I've worn it like every day since I've had it. The only reason why I'm not wearing it right now is because it's in the wash because I spilled coffee on it. Whoops. but I really do love this, and I think you guys will love it too when it's released. It may be a little while, but I will keep y'all updated. So those are some of my favorite cosplay products from this spring, and I'd like to thank my patrons for their support. Your support makes videos like this possible. When you join me on Patreon, you get access to all my photos and projects early, get to see exclusive behind-the-scenes photos, videos, access to my Discord community, and more. This week's Makers of the Week include Naze Goreng, who made this incredible 5-foot-tall Crash Bandicoot replica. Girl, this is insane. Y'all need to check out her work, it's so cool. Next up is Untalented Cosplay on Twitter, who made this Connor cosplay. I love it, and the lights are spectacular. Your name should not be Untalented Cosplay. That is a lot of talent right there. Thank you for showing me. Nick's Workshop made this Cyclops build. The design's really unique. I haven't seen it before. That is awesome. And take a look at this visor. That's the coolest thing ever. It looks so cool in photos. Thank you so much for showing me your hard work. If you're working on cosplay, a craft, a painting, a drawing, whatever you like to make, I would love to see it. Please show me at Zombies Workshop on Twitter or Instagram. I love seeing your work. It makes my day, and I would love to feature you as a Maker of the Week. So thank you guys so much for showing me your hard work. And again, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, I do hope you'll hit that subscribe button because I would love to see you back. Until next time, y'all. Bye.